What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? We got Max.
Andy's out of breath. Poor Andy is out of breath.
I'm out of breath. I'm going to show you why I'm out of breath. This is probably something in the shop that a lot of you guys don't see on a regular basis. And this is some of the things that I do here, some of the shop stuff that we collect over the period of time that we pull cars apart and all that jazz. Well, I'm gonna touch his wee-wee is what I'm gonna do. He's gonna like it. He's gonna like it. He loves penis is what he loves.
Food, you know?
Like, big fat.
I just had some McDonald's, some shit-ass food, but listen.
It's food.
I'm full now and I'm happy, let me tell you.
So, obviously a lot of you guys see all of the cars coming in and out and so on and so forth, and the progress being made and engines being built and trannies being built and installations of headers and cams and all
That's
that
what she said.
Fun jazz.
I just read your text message.
Yeah, but what you guys don't see, what we do here, is all that stuff that's left over, all the metal, the clutches, the rotors, it needs to go somewhere. And as you can see, we got a lot of it in the truck. There was a huge pile out here, which is pretty much that stuff in the truck right there. That was all sitting here, and I still have more. We'll go around the back here. You guys don't even know how much shit I got. But I got ZL1 exhaust systems, full exhaust systems with no cats. I have 6th gen SS and Camaro ZL1s SS exhaust systems back here. That's another ZL1 exhaust system right there as well. But we're not taking that today. We're gonna cut all that stuff up and take that tomorrow. Plus we got cats too that we have to take places. We're gonna take all this junk over to the scrapyard, which is literally a block and a half away. It's not that far. And we're gonna pull it all out of the truck and we're gonna go ahead and dump it and probably make like
$5.
$5 fucking dollars.
Maybe $5.20.
Maybe $5.20 possibly. I had a lot of radiators here, old radiators that were broken and stuff. I took them over yesterday, made a few bucks there. But I was going to do the exhaust today and cut all them up, but I'm just tired. They're getting ready to close. It's the end of the day.
You're just lazy as shit, you know?
No, shut up, man. So we'll do an initial pull in and see what the weight is. And then we'll do, when we unload everything, we'll pull back out and see what the weight is and see how much we have. I'm willing to bet there's probably 1,000 pounds in there. What do you think?
It's probably like 4 pounds or something.
That's not your, you know what, but never mind.
That's a compliment if it is.
I know, right? That's why I said it, man.
Listen, time is ticking.
All right, let's go close this up here. There's a lot of metal. There's a lot of metal. A lot of metal.
All right, I'll drive it.
Yeah, right.
I'm serious, I'm driving
You
it.
can't hold this.
You have to close this, so I'm driving it out front.
Here, dumbass. And he can't even catch.
Yeah, I'm not athletic.
Yeah, okay. All right, let's head over to the scrap yard. We'll go ahead and unload all this crap. See if we make like 40 or 50 bucks maybe. I don't know. Beer money, you know what I mean? It's beer money. It's not too shabby. Freaking, oh, I do want to show you guys something before I go here. But I don't know if you remember the desk at the front of the shop. Yeah. It's all cleaned off. This is what initially was my desk in the first place. And then it just got piled up with bullshit and papers and all this other crap. Well, today I decided I'm cleaning this shit up. I put my laptop back over here, charger, the printer. I actually have a printer. I don't know if you guys knew that. My broken phone from a couple years ago that I charged up. But I'm gonna start making an initiative and clean this damn shop up. Since I have a little bit of free time on my hands. Not a whole lot of free time, just a little bit. And I figure if I have a few hours here and there, I'm gonna start throwing all this junk out that I have here at the shop that I don't need anymore and get this place cleaned up, put some new shelving up and stuff and all that fun jazz. Too much truck for you? This piece of junk.
Nice and clean.
What happened to your splitter?
Put it up the next day. That looks so gay. I had to take it
Max did actually have a splitter on the front of his BMW that he put on here at the shop, and he was actually making a video, but I guess he didn't upload it. You didn't upload the video?
It's up.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I just took it off.
And then he
the
took the
next day.
splitter off. I thought it didn't look too bad.
It looked too big. I got
Yeah.
to do a donut done today.
Oh, there you go. All right, let's go. Let's go do this, guys.
Jeez, am I doing?
We have a cop up here. Not really sure if he pulled somebody over or if this person broke down, but this guy's like right on the side of the road and he could have freaking shut up. He could have literally pulled in the parking lot and been fine. There's Skylar got off the school bus. What are you doing?
Wait, is that Max?
Yeah, it's Max.
Max!
Yeah, he loves me. Everybody freaking loves me.
Nobody loves you. Shut up.
Everybody loves me.
Hey, I'm going down to salvage yard. I'll see you later. All right, we're here at Effort of Recycling. Are you excited, Max?
No.
Come on, Max, tell me the truth. You're excited. Let's see what this big old fat pig weighs. There's a nice Mustang, look at that. All right, here we go, guys. Here we go, we're gonna get up on the scale here. We're gonna see what this big old fat pig weighs. Wow. She weighs 89.40. Oh yeah. So we got to go behind the green building, which is that building there, and it's gonna be the pile on the right. It's all muddy and yucky back here. It sucks. Not gonna lie. Look at this trash.
Yeah, I ain't getting out. Just saying.
I'm getting out right here. This is where I'm getting out right here. I'm getting out right here, and this is where this is all going.
You know what you gotta do?
Huh?
Open the tailgate floor.
What? Yeah.
I would.
Open the tailgate and just floor it, he says.
Smarter, dude. Think smarter, not harder.
Yeah, not happening, boss. Sorry. All right, let's unload this crap. Leroy Jr.'s engine. Really glad that's over with. Hands are dirty. About 1,500 pounds. Probably about 1,500 pounds. 1,000 pounds, I don't know. Whew. Thanks for the help, buddy.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Hey.
Nice and warm in here. Just kidding, you have the damn window open.
Good, you deserved it.
My hands are actually going numb. I'm not broken finger. Oh, broken finger.
Nobody cares about your broken finger.
Shut up. Nobody cares.
Oh, the truck definitely feels lighter than it did.
Oh, that's what they all say.
Alrighty, let's go find some nails. Now we gotta go reweigh ourselves. So we'll go out here around the front. We weigh ourselves, then we'll peace on out of here. Fun little excursion. Taking scrap to the scrap yard. But you know what? It's a part of the job. Oh, get that guy. All right, here we go. Let's see what she weighs in now. Yeah, that's about, look at that, that was about 1,000 pounds. So 940 pounds.
Yeah, something like that.
That's what it was, 940 pounds. All right, guys, so we just got paid and it came out pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So basically 940 pounds, almost 1,000 pounds of scrap metal, and I made a whopping $41.40, people. So I'm rich now, you know? I'm rich. 1,000 pounds, 40 bucks, not bad for a couple minutes worth of work with Max's help, obviously. Right, Max? Max don't care.
I'm not even here to help. I'm just here for the ride.
Oh, he just wants to ride in the good old Dirty Max, guys. That's the thing. We're back at the shop. Whew, that was a venture there. Let me tell you, what do you think? Hard work, huh? This fucking guy never works. I can't give you a ride in Ghost because Ghost is broken. Ghost blew up.
I mean,
yeah. Get me tires, I'll take you for a ride.
Damn.
Yeah, I know. I need back tires badly. By the way, guys, if you have not checked out my sponsors list, why are you shutting the hood, man? If you have not checked out my sponsors list, please go below in the description. The last part of the description is my sponsors list. These are all the people that have hooked me up with Ghost on the turbo kit, Huron Speed, SPS cylinder heads, Golen engines, BMR suspension, NP Complete Performance. All those guys are in there. Go check their websites out. Go give them a little bit of a hit if you need something, part or anything you need. Just go ahead and hit them up if you need it, and check them guys out. You gotta plug that in there a little bit. You know what I mean? Got to plug that in there a little bit. So as you guys can see,
The zip tie.
what's up?
I really love the zip tie.
What zip tie? Where?
Holding your throttle.
Oh, listen, anybody that knows anything about F-bodies, everybody puts a zip tie on that thing because the little thingy breaks off. But anybody that knows F-bodies will tell you, zip ties fucking keep that together. I'm not replacing it. I got to make a new bracket. I got to make it more stable, actually, is what I got to do. So I know, yeah. It does do wide open throttle, so that's good. So we still have a lot of shit, as you guys can see, to get rid of. And over the next few days to few weeks, we are going to be going through all this crap, and we're going to be getting rid of it. If anybody needs a GTP hood, I've got one, so that can get rid of it. But all these empty boxes, we're going to throw all this shit out. We're going to get the tables cleaned off. We're going to get the tools put away. All the engines over here, we're going to actually put up against the wall over there, clean that all up. We're going to make this look really, really nice and just more spacious and more easy to work on stuff in the area, because it is kind of crowded here, as you guys can see. These are the worst two sections of this damn shop. Pretty much everything else up front is kind of okay, but this section and this section are a pain in the ass. And anybody that owns a shop, will tell you that it is a pain in the ass to try to keep one clean over time. Right, Max? Max don't know. He don't own a shop.
No, listen.
But
it's actually very easy to clean.
It's very easy to clean.
Very easy to keep clean if you freaking be clean. Simple.
It's hard when you're working all day long.
Simple.
When you're working all day long, it's hard to keep a shop tidy and clean because you're always throwing stuff here and throwing stuff there, trying to move on to the next thing. So it is kind of hard to keep things clean. You end up having empty boxes laying around. This is soccer?
Hold on, ready? Hold on, no, I'm gonna.
What are you doing, man?
I'm trying to jump this. No, hold on, ready? Actually.
All right, well, on that note, guys, we're going to go ahead and end this vlog. This is just a nice little stupid vlog about what we do on the off time that we have here at the shop, cleaning up and stuff like that. But like I said, on that note, we're going to end this vlog. If you guys enjoyed it, I hope you did. Please do me a favor. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram is Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.